And I can't stand this fucking scene. It's just a fucking fashion show it seems. I stood here